Sairam children, I welcome you again in maths class. In the last video we have started chapter number 9, algebraic expression and identities. This is the part 2 of introduction only. So in the first part we have discussed introduction, but few topics we have discussed and few topics left. So this is the second part of introduction only. So our first topic what we are going to discuss is multiplication between monomial by monomial. So what is the meaning of monomial here? Monomial means having one term only. Okay, so let's do multiplication between one terms. Okay, so let's a very first example, 3y multiplied by x. So 3y is also a monomial term, x is also a monomial term, so multiply both of them, you will get 3xy answer. Okay, getting my point? Now let's see second example. Second example is 5x comma 4x square. Okay, so both are having one term, so multiply both of them. 5x multiplied by 4x square, it gives you 20, and in the multiplication variable powers add with each other, so write x. So here is 1, so 1 plus 2, it gives you 20x cube. Okay, let's see the third example now, in which we are having three different terms we have to multiply. Third example is this. So third example is 2x comma 5y and 7z. 1 2 3, three different expressions we are having with different variables. Now 2 is having x variable, 5 is having y variable, and 7 is having z variable. So let's multiply 2x multiplied by 5y multiplied by 7z. Now all are having different variables, so we will write these variables as it is. 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 7 is 70, so it gives you 70xyz. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's see the fourth example. Fourth example we are having 4xy 5x square y square 6x cube y cube. Okay, so we have to multiply these monomials by monomials. So 4 is having variable xy, 5 is having variable x square y square, and 6 is having x cube y cube. Let's multiply 4xy multiplied by 5x square y square multiplied by 6x cube y cube. Now numbers multiply with each other, and in multiplication powers add with each other of same variable. Okay, so 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 6 is 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 6, it gives you 120, it gives you 120. Okay, so 120. Now let's deal with the power x. Here x power is 1, plus here x power is 2, plus x power is 3. Okay, now y here is having 1, here is 2 and here is 3. So we can write 120 x 5 6 and y की power 6. So this will be our answer. Okay, so in this way we can multiply monomial by monomial. So we have discussed right now different types of question. So in this type of question you will get in your exercise. Let's move to the next part. Now next topic is multiplication of monomial by binomial. Now monomial who is having one term, binomial who is having two terms. So let's discuss such type of question. So first part is 3x, it means this is your monomial, and second is 5y plus 2. Now we have to multiply this monomial with monomial. So let's see how we can multiply by this. I'm using bracket. Now okay, now this 3x will multiply with 5y and this 3x multiply with 2. Okay, so how you can write 3x multiply by 5y? Now you are having plus sign here, write plus sign. Now this 3x is going to multiply by 2. 3x multiply by 2. So in this way we can multiply. 3 into 5 is 15. You will get xy because x and y are two different variables. So we will write both plus 6x. So this will be your answer when we deal with monomial by binomial. Okay. Now next topic is binomial by binomial. Now both binomial terms are going to be multiplied with each other. So x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. Now in the first binomial, x is one term, minus 4 is another term. In the second expression, 2x is one term and 3 is another term. So both are binomials. So let's multiply. I am putting both binomial terms inside the bracket. So in this way you can easily represent. Now this x going to multiply by 2x plus 3 and this minus 4 going to multiply this 2x plus 3. So x is multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now this minus sign keep in between 2x plus 3. So in this way you can represent. Now multiply 2 into x square. It gives you 2x square, 3x minus 8x minus 12. Okay. Now this minus when go inside meet 2 plus 3, it make it minus. Okay. Now 2x square, 3x minus 8x, x is the bigger term, so we will take the sign of 8x. So subtract minus 5x minus 12 will be your answer. So this will be your answer. So in this way we can solve binomial multiply by binomial. Let's move to the next topic. Our next topic is monomial by trinomial. Now one monomial is going to be there, like 3p is the monomial. Trinomial in which 3 terms are there, 4p square plus 5p plus 7. So this is your trinomial term and 3p is monomial term. Let's multiply. So this 3p is going to multiply with 4p square, this 3p is going to multiply with 5p square, and this 3p is going to multiply with 7 also. So let's multiply. 3p multiply by 4p square plus 3p multiply by 5p plus 3p multiply by 7. It gives you 12p cube because here 1, here 2, it gives you 3. 15p square plus 21p. So this will be your answer. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. Next topic is binomial by trinomial. One binomial is there and other is trinomial. So a plus 7 is the binomial because a is one term and 7 is another term. So this will be your first expression. Second expression is trinomial. A square plus 3a plus 5. See, three terms are there. 1, 2, 3. So this a is going to multiply by whole, and this 7 is going to multiply the whole expression number 2. So let's multiply a plus 7 multiply by a square plus 3a plus 5. In this way we can write. Now a is going to multiply with whole expression 2 and plus 7 because plus is here. Now 7 is going to multiply with whole term. Now open the brackets. A cube plus 3a square plus 5a plus 7a square plus 21a plus 35. Now this a cube is not repeating in this expression, write a cube. Now 3a square plus 7a square, both are like terms. We can write 10a square. 5a plus 21 gives you 26a plus 35. Okay, so in this way you can easily solve the above expression. So this is the example of binomial by trinomial. Okay, so in this way you will get the answer. Let's move to the next topic. Now our next topic is about identities. See children, we have now in the first part we have discussed about the algebraic expression. The second part of this introduction is about identities. Now which formula we are going to discuss in this chapter, we are going to talk about that. The very first formula is a plus b ka whole square. A plus b ka whole square, we can write this. It means a plus b and a plus b. So a plus b is repeating 2 times. So instead of this we can write a plus b ka whole square. Now open this. You will get the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. If a is going to multiply with this ab and plus b is multiply by a plus b, you will get this formula only. Okay, so let's see what kind of question you can have with this identity. See, like for example, you are having 2x plus 3 multiply by 2x plus 3. So you can easily multiply 2x plus 3y with each other. Like 2x first multiply this whole term plus 3y is going to multiply with this whole term. In this way also you can open like previously we were doing, but both are having same value, so you can represent it in the formula. You can write like this also, 2x plus 3y ka whole square. So here a is 2x and b is 3y. So you can easily put the value inside this formula. So a square means 2x ka whole square plus b square is 3y ka whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y. In this way you can easily solve the question. 2x square means 4x square, so 2 square is 4, x square is x square plus 9 square, 9 in 3 into 3 is 9 y square, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So 12xy will be your answer. Okay, so with the help of this identity you can solve such kind of question who is repeating 2 times. Okay, now next identity is a minus b ka whole square. The formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means a minus b is multiplying with each other 2 times. So if you are having such kind of identity, you can use such identity. Okay, so let's have, if you are having 4p minus 3q multiply with 4p minus 3q. Okay, it means instead of writing this you can write 4p minus 3q ka whole square. So here a is 4p and b is 3q. Now put these value inside this formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is 4p का whole square, b is 3q का whole square minus 2 into 4p into 3q. In this way you can easily solve the question. 4 square is 16, p square, 3 square is 9, q is also having this square, minus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24, pq. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now our next identity is a plus b, a minus b. It means a value will be same, b value will be same, only the sign going to be changed. Here is plus sign, second time is minus sign. So you can write, instead of this you can write a square minus b square. Let's see the example. For example, if you are having 6x plus 7, 6x minus 7. Now a is 6x and b is 7 here. So it means 7 is plus, 7 is minus. So it is suitable to this identity. You can write in this way also. So a square minus b square. In this way you also can represent a is 6 square minus 7 is b is 7. So 6 square is 36 x square, because when we this 6x is inside the bracket, so when we are doing square, so this square will be goes to 6 also and x also. You will get 36x square minus 49. So this will be your answer. Getting my point? Okay, now last identity we are having x minus a, x plus a, x plus b. So in this type of question, first value will be same and next two will be different. Suppose here a is there and another time b is there. So let's have example. Like you are having 501 and 502. So you have to use the identity for multiplying these two terms, 501 and 502. So we can make these two terms in a form of this formula easily. How? Because we can write 500 plus 1 also. We can write 500 plus 2 also. So here is x is 500. Here x is 500. So both are having same value. 1 represent a here and 2 represent b here. Okay. So easily put these value inside the formula. So formula is x square a plus b x ab. So x is 500, 500 square, a is 1, b is 2, x is 500 and ab is 1 into 2. Now 500 square is 25. Okay, 25 2,50,000 plus 3 into 5 is 1500 plus 12. Okay, so you will get this. Now in total you will get answer 251502. So in this way you can break this term into an identity and easily solve the question. So with this I am ending this video, children. So your introductory part now is fully complete. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise. Sai Ram.